Imagine a world where diseases like cystic fibrosis or Huntington's could be eradicated. What if we could enhance our crops to be more resistant to drought? Or even bring back extinct species? Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you this is rapidly becoming a reality? We're diving headfirst into the revolutionary world of gene editing. And more specifically, CRISPR. Think of it as a molecular pair of scissors, capable of precisely snipping and modifying DNA. The very blueprint of life. Believe it or not, the story starts way back in 1987, with a seemingly unrelated discovery by Japanese researcher, Dr. Yoshizumi Ishino. He noticed a peculiar, repeating DNA sequence in the bacteria E. coli. At the time, its function was a complete mystery. Fast forward to the early 2000s, and scientists like Francisco Mojica at the University of Alicante in Spain started to connect the dots. Mojica realized these repeating sequences, now called CRISPRs, were actually part of a bacterial defense system. They were like genetic mugshots, storing snippets of viral DNA, allowing the bacteria to recognize and fight off future infections. But the real breakthrough came in 2012. Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuelle Charpentier, working together, figured out the crucial role of the Cas9 enzyme. They demonstrated that this enzyme, guided by CRISPR, could be programmed to cut DNA at a specific location. Suddenly, we had a precise and relatively easy-to-use gene editing tool. This wasn't just a scientific curiosity. It was a game-changer. Doudna and Charpentier's work paved the way for CRISPR to be used in countless applications. From treating genetic diseases to developing new crops. Their discovery earned them the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2020, a testament to the transformative power of CRISPR. Okay, so where are we with CRISPR today? It's not just a cool science experiment anymore. It's actively shaping the world around us. One of the biggest areas is medicine. Think about diseases like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, or even some forms of cancer, all rooted in faulty genes. CRISPR is being explored as a potential way to correct those faulty genes directly, offering the tantalizing possibility of a cure, not just treatment. Early clinical trials are already showing promising results in treating blood disorders. Agriculture is another major player. Scientists are using CRISPR to develop crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and even climate change. Imagine rice that needs less water, or tomatoes that stay fresh longer. This could revolutionize food production and help address global food security challenges. Beyond medicine and agriculture, CRISPR is also being used in research labs around the world to better understand how genes work and their role in disease. By precisely editing genes in cells and organisms, scientists can unlock secrets of biological processes that were previously inaccessible. The impact. It's huge, and still unfolding. We're talking about the potential to eradicate inherited diseases, create more sustainable food systems, and gain unprecedented insights into the building blocks of life. However, With such power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations surrounding gene editing, especially in humans, are crucial and are the subject of ongoing debate and regulation. We need to carefully consider the long-term consequences and ensure responsible innovation. So, to recap, CRISPR is essentially a revolutionary gene editing tool. Think of it like molecular scissors that can precisely target and cut DNA, allowing us to edit genes with incredible accuracy. We've seen how it works, the guide RNA directing Cas9 to the right spot, the cutting action, and then the cell's own repair mechanisms stepping in. And we've touched on its potential applications in treating diseases, developing new diagnostics, and even creating more resilient crops. The future of CRISPR is incredibly bright. We're only just scratching the surface of what's possible. Imagine a world where genetic diseases are a thing of the past, or where we can engineer crops to thrive in even the harshest environments. CRISPR offers the potential to revolutionize medicine, agriculture, and countless other fields. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and ethical considerations are crucial as we continue to explore and refine this technology. If you found this introduction to CRISPR helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more explanations of cutting-edge science. And don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching.